How you doing, guys? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a gorgeous 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. This car's had a frame-up restoration, super slick paint. The paint on this car is flat and smooth. All the chrome has either been replaced or re-chromed and polished. You see how straight this car is down the sides. I mean, this thing, you would think a white car. This is just a classy looking car in white. As you can see, all the bumpers are just beautiful. Been updated with disc brakes in the front. Got power steering. See all the parking light housings, the grille, all the chrome on this car is just beautiful. See, they painted the bottom of the hood real nice. Got aluminum intake and your Holley carb. This is a 327 with a set of Edelbrock aluminum heads. Strong running motor. Door jambs are super clean, nice. It's got a bright blue interior. Dash has been all updated. Got your aftermarket gauge cluster in it. Looks really nice, tastefully done. Now we also have, you'll see in the trunk, we have the original steering wheel. If somebody wants to put the bigger steering wheel back on it. Got rear seat belts. See, the jambs are nice and clean. We got the restoration photos, some of the receipts. Got the factory jack spare. There's your original steering wheel. Got an AM/FM cassette radio there in the dash, the speakers in the rear package tray. The chrome upper garnish moldings gives it a really slick look. I really like the way they did that instead of painting them. Been updated with a nice electric wiper setup. Again, that's strong running. 327. Got a set of Edelbrock aluminum heads. Electric wipers sure work a lot slicker than the old vacuum ones. Got the blue dots in the tail lights, real slick looking. And these cars are getting hard to find. Nice clean cars. This car's ready to go, ready to cruise and have a lot of fun with it. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.